Hey there, I'm Tim, the owner of Sneeze Garden. In this video, I want to go over our Banker Special Sneeze Guard. Now, I made this in conjunction with my local branch manager. When that bank come up from the COVID lockdown, they had bought some cheapy sneeze guards, and even with that, she was very concerned about the exposure her tellers would have. And so working with her and through her concerns, I designed this specifically for the bank environment. Now, the first thing you can obviously see is it has a UV light. This UV light kills 99.9% of pathogens and bacteria which pass through it. Now, in the bank I was working with, their tellers, they could have up to 100 transactions per 8-hour shift. And with those transactions, they're passing a lot of pens, paper, and especially money, which can be dirty. And I've been looking at studies, and the COVID virus can last up to 8 hours on a regular surface. And they're very concerned when they're passing all these instruments through, they're still going to go ahead and be exposed to the virus. So this helps reduce that exposure. Also, I made the pass-through port very small profile. I've seen other sneeze guards where the pass-through port, it's a lot higher. I've seen them up to 1 square foot worth of exposure on the pass-through port. That really negates how effective it works. This is only 2 inches high, 11 inches wide, so you just don't have that grand exposure. The third feature on this, it's a little hard to see, but I have a 1/4 inch raised lip around the circumference. What this does, it helps contain all pathogens on the public-facing side. Now think of, say, like a lip on a wading pool, how that lip contains all the liquids inside that pool. Same thing, when they sneeze and cough, those sneeze droplets, they get on this, and they can actually travel and migrate around the side and still expose the teller on the other side. So this raised lip helps contain all the pathogens on the public-facing side and keep them from exposing the teller. Fourth thing is I use brass screws to secure the lip, and the brass screws have antimicrobial properties naturally in it, so the brass screws themselves aren't going to become a source of transmission. The last feature is I use abrasion-resistant acrylic. This is why I can offer a lifetime warranty on my product and others can't. So I've actually been in banks where they've had their sneeze guards in use for 6 to 9 months, and I can tell they're already starting to get beat up. They're starting to crack, yellow, and since they don't have the same abrasion resistance and people nick against them, they get a lot of scratches. Finally, this is a no-tool installation. My niece, she's 14 years old, and when she installs these, it takes her 5 to 7 minutes. It's not a big deal. Anyway, this model, as shown, it's $129 with free shipping, and it comes in different sizes. So if you're interested, I certainly hope to hear from you. Otherwise, take care. Bye.